Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year again. Today, I would like to performing changing step, how to work out first, and then hand escape. That's a requirement about blue belt side. So if you watch it, enjoy it, give me a subscribe and thumb up. Beautiful your friendship, reward, review for me. Okay, thank you. Yeah, one more time, like I saying, I would like explaining how the teaching it or how the learning the kicking side. So do not put lot of power in. Just pick the knee up. Important is the knee up, knee up, knee up. Just like ha, 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 ha. Your knee up side is the most important. Every kicking is a knee up to start. So I changing step side, review. Okay, just like step in, kick. Step in, kick. You did. And then spin, kick. Spin, kick. And then I teach it. Kick, back. Kick, back. Kick, back. Kick, back. Kick after, pa, pa. Double kick. And then 회전차기, sliding back, pa, sliding back, pa, sliding back, pa. That's what I've been teaching it. Today, I would like to teaching it. Always your body is back, spin, body back. Body is always the back side. And then tornado or even kicking. It's not follow your body. Body is always leave it back there. Or maybe put on instructor like a one stick, put on the here. Let the foot go only. Body turn before here. Now you can change it. That's why I give you a suggestion about the make sure one more time your body is back. Your body is back and your foot turning this way. Like your foot turn this way instead of here. Turn this way and then other leg go. That was the I give the suggestion for how the learning proper way to the you go. Just like one more time, your body, your foot turning, passing and then go. So, and then today like I say, hand escape side, we will go. Always, like I say, one shoulder out, wrist up. This one make your forearm develop or wrist turn. So one hand, this is we call 5 element hand escape. Hand turn, step. Number 2, bring up. 3, up. 4, 5, outside in. Okay, other hand. The same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the hand escape. We call 화수 목금토. Number 1 is 수 is water. 화 is fire. And 목 meaning is wood. 금 meaning is metal. 토 is earth. That one 5 element is They all helping each other, they all hurting each other. Just like fire is overcome, water is come down. Water is more than fire, fire is down. But two things together, like make a cooking, cook the rice, and everything. Our life is 화수 목금토 is important. The pattern of the form, grammar of the pattern of the form is 5 elements plus 8 direction. Normally 8 direction is forward, backward, sideward, and between diagonal way. So this 8 movement, and then the 5 elements together. 13 movement is foundation of the Tai Chi, and then foundation of the all pattern of the martial art, how to design for that way. So now hand escape to strike. Okay, 1, wrapping, stay over. Again, 1. Okay, number 2, step back. Number 3. Number 4. Five. Outside in. Open stance. Hit. E. Other hand. Number 1. Wrapping. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Out in. There is a 5 element to the strike, the right and left. Always, whatever circumstance your opponent gonna be, it's not only your favorite side. So another side, you always have to practice. Whenever you got open, go that side immediately, instead of your favorite side until opponent is there. So today, I would like the little bit about demonstration to the how the breaking board. Nobody hold the board, therefore my wife gonna be volunteer about that side. But please come here. Today, I explain to you basically the breaking board is like I say, olden day why we do that is like a 1 inch thick, 12 inch wide, or the pine board is as strong as a human ribs. Therefore, actually we are start traditionally the practice when you are qualifying of the testing at that time. White belt case is hammer fist, like other one the kick by, front kick, and then side kick, even how that back kick, every length the different way. But today, I like to show you, even same the board, how much your energy go into the, why so important of twisting side. So a lot of people is see the right now, okay, facing this way, please. The front stance, okay. Oh, I don't want you to hurt. Hands straight, okay. So when you are braking, this one is right now they are blue color. This one is all white color to the all black color. Nowadays the board is expensive, so I purchased one board by the even blue, the intermediate side. This one is just normal. I thinking about like a couple board of the 1 inch thick. But important is no matter whatever it is, anybody they can break. But how much your energy to spend it. First time I breaking by this way, hitting all straight. Ah! I hitting this way. But I spend actually around about 20 calories over the my hold on. Okay. So the it's usable. 20 calorie over I spend it, I banged it. But important is that how the braking is just turning side. Just another word this time I using it about a couple of the calorie I using it. So actually about 10 times weaker than that, but through the twisting, turning make, that much power is get important. Just like I say, the kick, punching, everything is from there. I don't want to do like I say, 10 times, lot of calorie using, you burning after later, you just completely losing of your power. I show you one more time. It is open up, this is made in China. Okay. Yes, I'm good at it by this. Okay, so that in this one is right now the lot of school they using it. Okay, hands straight your hand. So just like hitting, even hitting this way, but cha, doesn't break it. But the hold one more time, just like here. So I hope that this one. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Under.
Appreciate it.
Okay. So this one is I just show you. After later, I may do have the a little more deeply how to make a power, how to make it everything. But that's the key. Why we need knee up, snap, follow through, even through it. That energy, like I say, boiling water make immediately frozen ice. That between gap is more farther, your energy source make a lot of better. So that thank you very much everybody. Today I just give the little after later my wife is old lady, so I cannot show the any other kicking side, so I may go back the one at a time, the breaking routine side. So everybody, you like it, give a subscribe, like, please. Thank you very much. Happy New Year, everybody. 감사합니다.